Hello and welcome to your Food Techie channel, which is about health, fitness, and nutritional tips to improve your health at home. Healthy foods that are high in iron. Iron is a mineral that serves several important functions, its main one being to carry oxygen throughout your body as a part of red blood cells. Iron is essential nutrient, you must get it from your diet. The daily value DV is 18 mg. Iron deficiency can cause anemia and lead to symptoms like fatigue, menstruating. Women who don't consume iron-rich foods are at a particularly high risk of deficiency. Luckily, there are plenty of good food choices to help you meet your daily iron needs. Here are healthy foods that are high in iron. Please press the red button given below and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Number 1. Shellfish. Shellfish is tasty and nutritious. All shellfish is high in iron, but clams, oysters, and mussels are particularly good sources. 100 gram serving of clams provides 3 mg iron, which is 17% of the DV for iron. Shellfish is also rich in many other nutrients, and many increase HDL, good cholesterol levels, in your blood. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach provides many health benefits but very few calories. About 100 grams of raw spinach contains 2.7 mg of iron, or 15% of the DV. Spinach is rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C significantly boosts iron absorption in human body. Spinach is also rich in antioxidants called carotenoids, which may reduce your risk of cancer, decrease inflammation, and protect your eyes from. Number 3. Liver and other organ meats. Organ meats are extremely nutritious. Popular types include liver, kidneys, brain, and heart, all of which are high in iron. 100 gram serving of beef liver contains 6.5 mg of iron, or 36% of DV. Organ meats are also high in protein and rich in vitamin B, copper, and selenium. Organ meats best sources of choline, an important nutrient for brain and liver health. Number 4. Legumes. Legumes are loaded with nutrients. Most common types of legumes are beans, lentils, chickpeas, peas, and soya beans. 1 cup 198 grams of cooked lentils contains 6.6 mg, which is 37% of the DV. Legumes are also a good source of folate, magnesium, and potassium. Beans and legumes can reduce inflammation. Heart disease risk can help you lose weight due to high soluble fiber. Number 5. Red meat. Red meat is satisfying and nutritious. 100 gram servings of ground beef contains 2.7 mg of iron, which is 15% of the DV. Meat is also rich in protein, zinc, selenium, and several. Iron deficiency may be less likely in people who eat meat, poultry, and fish on the regular basis. Number 6. Turkey. Turkey meat is healthy and delicious food. It is also a good source of iron. 100 gram of turkey meat has 1.4 mg of iron, which is 8% of the DV. Good source of several vitamins and minerals. Its high protein content promotes fullness, increases metabolism, and prevents muscle loss during weight loss and the aging process. Number 7. Broccoli. Broccoli is incredibly nutritious. A 1 cup serving of cooked broccoli contains 1 mg of iron, which is 6% of the DV. Broccoli contains high amount vitamin C, which helps your body absorb the iron better. High in K and folate. It may also help reduce cancer risk. Number 8. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is incredibly delicious and nutritious. About 28 gram serving contains 3.4 mg of the iron, which is 19% of the DV, along several minerals and prebiotic fiber that promotes gut health. Chocolate has beneficial effects on cholesterol and may reduce your risk of heart attacks and strokes. Number 9. Fish. Fish is a highly nutritious ingredient and certain varieties like tuna are especially high in iron. 85 gram servings of canned tuna contains about 1.4 mg of the iron, which is approximately 8% of the DV. Fish is a good source of several other important nutrients, including vitamin and minerals. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to promote brain health, enhance immune function, and support health growth and development. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions about this video, leave it to the comment box.